If you managed to catch the draw between West Ham and Tottenham on Thursday night, then you'd have witnessed a goalkeeper trying to literally catch his teammate's head. As the ball was whipped into the West Ham penalty area, Adrian looked like he was giving Cheikhou Kouyate a painful massage rather than anything. Seconds later, the picture emerged online, and he quickly began to trend on Twitter. Adrian's reaction is priceless. He knows he's done wrong, but he just can't let go. Shortly after the final whistle, the Spaniard took to Twitter to explain his actions, and to be fair, the reason is outstanding. If you were watching the game, I had the ball in my hands 1 second early, but at Papi Cheikhou needs crack his neck, so I tried to help him. So sorry, I have 2 jobs, save goals and help my teammates. And if you were casually strolling past Wembley last night, you could have easily mistaken Pedro Obiang's second-half strike against Tottenham for an actual thunderbolt. Obiang's unbelievable effort was West Ham's first shot of the game, and somehow the Hammers managed to grind out an impressive draw on Thursday night, building on their last-minute victory against West Brom on Tuesday. You won't see a better strike all season. Which wins the strike of the night, Pedro Obiang or Son Heung-min? Zlatan Ibrahimovic reveals who he would take to space with him.